Chanel, they'll be fighting Raven Oliveira. And Chanel there is a great fighter, and at PFL she scored two victories against Mariam Turchinova and Valentina Skatizi, but she was defeated to Carol Ford at Dana White Contender Series. Thanks God she got an opportunity and go and fight Raven Oliveira. She's carrying 7-3-1, 5'5", 65 inches of reach. Oliveira suffered back-to-back losses to Tainara Lisboa and Stephanie Luciano, which means she is a gatekeeper now. And Chanel Dyer is 5'6", 65 inches of reach, training in England. Originally a Muay Thai fighter, but she is also fair on the ground. But this chica prefers stand-up game, just like Raven Oliveira. She also prefers stand-up game, but knows to fight on the ground to escape etc. I think over 2.5 is a good call, but I give greater chances to Raven Oliveira to win.